do you think we'll get to use guns? We won't. Oh, damn. I was kind of looking forward to it. What the hell is that? Dude. Come on, let's get out of here. Meanwhile, in another part of the city. Oh my god, what the heck is that? Ah! Ah! Dun 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 dun. So yeah, thanks for saving me from those guys, you know? Oh my god, what the hell is it? Let's get out of here. Wait, what the hell was that? I have no idea. Just keep going. Okay, let's see. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, who are you? I don't. Wait, who are you? Oh my god, what is that? What is what? Oh my god, what this thing again? Why can't we stop this thing? Yeah. You're welcome for getting your asses saved. Hey, what? Where is it going? He's dead. Let's go. You know, I don't think this has ever happened. Wait for me. Hey, you got anything with you? Don't kill me, don't kill me. Oh, dude, you just cut me in half. Shut up. Huh? Hey, what the, what? That's what you get for coming into my house. We're here to help. Yeah. I think we beat him, but just in case. Yeah. Wow. Woo. Yeah. Hey, how's it going? It's going pretty good. What the hell is going on? Whoa. Whoa. Haha, I'm skilled. Don't make an ass of yourself. Whoa, that was freaky. Who are you? Hi, can you help us? Think I can, but I'm not sure. Wait, oh! You guys like my ride? Check this thing out, it's a SWAT truck. Isn't it so awesome? Alright, everybody in back. Yeah, everybody in back. Oh, hey, why is he driving? Whoa! Crazy drivers. Get out of here. god! Oh my god! Abandon! Abandon! She's gonna blow! Run! Huh? Who are you? Hi. Hi. Can you help? Yeah, sure. Come on, I think it's down there. Oh my god, whoa. I didn't even think I could do that. Hey guys. Is there no stopping this thing? Whoa! He's dead. Another, meanwhile, much shorter. We're going intro to the bad guys on this, so we need a good look. Check this out, people. This is so awesome. Awesome walk right here. Alright, let's see how good I am at this. Alright. Oh my god. Let's get out of here now before they catch us. And you know what? I realize that it's difficult that we're gonna go through this stuff, but you know. Hey, who are you? Whoa! Whoa! Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Go. Man, such a mess. Why don't people clean up these days? Jeez, look at this mess. Oh no. Oh, I'm going to ask for a promotion.